I'm at Cordova, and this is my bike check. What's up, guys? So I'm Matt Cordova, ride for Supercross BMX, and this is my Supercross Passion Frame 21 in the purple color. I got SNAM Grand Slam bars, the Supercross 45 mil stem, Supercross Pro forks, and then Alienation Deviant wheel laced up to a Supercross Pro hub. Then I got the Odyssey Path tire and 2.20, like big tires. And then I got the new saddle from Supercross, the Lightning, animal posts, and then I got fit cranks, which is just standard cranks, and then We the People sprocket running 3011. I got Odyssey Trail Mix pedals, the magnesiums. Then I have Odyssey Evo 2s with the I have a GTX gyro, mono lever, small, like the one trigger. And then I got rear wheel laced up to a Odyssey Hazard Light, and then a Supercross Pro hub. And then I have a Animal GLH 2.2. For my chain, I got a Speedline chain, half link, silver. Yeah, that's about all. That's my bike check.